Hello, I'm Sandesh Roshatty, and this is our submission for the theme Reimagine Customer Experience with Emerging Technology. In the retail industry, decision makers often lack instant access to insights unless they use complex tools or rely on data teams. This slow down business actions like responding to sales trends or understanding customer behavior. What we built to solve this, we have built a Python-based prototype of an AI-powered data visualizer that allows retail professionals to generate charts and insights using just natural language, no code, no dashboard building. Here's how it works. The users enters a query like show me a bar chart of product sales across regions. Behind the scenes, a system uses a retrieval augmented generation, which we also call as RAG pipeline that fetches the relevant data chunks from sample retail dataset. Then we pass it to lightweight LLM to interpret and generate a response, running the code, and finally visualization is automatically created. This is the complete flow and architecture of our solution, which we have just presented. For demo of our product, I have took and data set of cars and retail prices, sharing on with different features in the data. And this is the complete library and API structure we have built it using fast API for API retrieval. And this is our code. So just to test it, I have given the source code, the database data of cars.csv, and I have queried the relation is what is the relationship between horsepower and city miles per gallon. Which after running the code, it generated an image which looks like this. This is a single equation image upon requirement, and as per the person he gets the better form, it creates the better image as per the requirement. If the user wants to see the only rating among the horsepower from 100 to 300, then it may give this chart also. And if they want either the dot chart or the bar chart, they can mention in the prompt, in which it gives the as a result. This solution uses Python LangChain for write pipeline, a vector database like FAISS to store index chunks, and Matplotlib and Plotlib for visualization. The key innovation is how we combine LLM reasoning with real-time visualization, all triggered through plain English, ideal for non-technical users in retail. In future versions, we plan to add a web-based UI with authentication, support for uploading CSVs, and more chart types. Thanks for watching.